Imagine a jar with red and blue marbles in a 2 to 3 ratio. Let's say you have 10 red marbles, which means you have 15 blue ones. Now you drop in 5 more red marbles. What's the new ratio? The common mistake is to just add the 5 to the 2, getting a ratio of 7 to 3. But that's wrong. Advanced ratio problems force you to stop looking at the ratio itself and start looking at the real-world numbers. Your 10 red marbles became 15. The 15 blue marbles stayed the same. The new situation is 15 red to 15 blue, which simplifies to a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. The key is always to calculate the absolute quantities first, make your change, and then create the new ratio. This principle gets even more interesting with shapes and spaces. Picture a square garden on a blueprint. If you decide to make the real garden 4 times longer on each side, how much bigger is its surface area? Your instinct might say 4 times, but the area actually scales by the square of that number. 4 squared is 16. Your garden is 16 times larger. The rule is simple yet powerful. Area scale equals linear scale squared. These Olympic-level puzzles often stack concepts. They might tell you that 60% of students prefer football, and then ask you to share the remaining 40% between rugby and cricket in a new ratio. In every case, the strategy is the same. Don't get tricked by the numbers in the ratio itself. Unpack them into real quantities, actual students, specific liters of juice, or concrete square meters. That single step, from abstract ratio to absolute numbers, is the secret to solving the puzzle.